Hi, good morning. So today's market actually should be very interesting. Look at the levels here. For Nifty again 9950, that should be very important. And again, if we talk on the upside, 10,120 and 10,350, those should be the interesting levels. And the first question comes that we have been seeing consolidation, we have been seeing declines over the last two sessions. Market has not been able to actually hold on to gains. But then the answer would be you cannot expect the market to actually go higher by 100 points every day. It doesn't happen. So you have crossed 10,000. Now market is taking a breath, trying to consolidate around those levels. Any concern basically should only emerge if you're not able to close above 9920. So while I'm talking 9950, I'm giving it a space of 9920 to 9950. That band basically should serve as a good support for the market on a closing basis. Also, I would say that 9800 actually is very strong writing which we have seen, and that is being seen as a base for the current bull rally, the phase of bull rally which basically has again started from 9800 levels. So we are talking about 9800 to 10500. This is a 700 point range we have been talking about. Right now basically we are around 10,000 levels. So I would say that be cautious in terms of small caps. That index has corrected 3% over the last 1 or 2 days, and I think that's why you should be cautious. 3 or 4 sessions of declines, perhaps the market is actually thinking that markets actually are looking vulnerable, and it's good to actually book profits in the small cap. So as we know, when small cap they start declining, they actually decline faster. So on a cautious note, just be cautious for the small caps right now. Mid caps are doing much better. They are outperforming the benchmark indices. Benchmark indices are consolidating, and the main reason is at present there is only oil and gas index which has just started to outperform. There is right now only FMCG which is trying to support, and apart from that we're not seeing any major support. Pharma index, which is a heavy weightage index, again that has been declining, and that I would expect to actually show more weakness. There is enough negative news out there to actually give pharma index another decline of 3 to 5%. And also bank index, that is not looking that great strong to me so far. We have been talking about the levels, and for bank nifty, 24,260 is where the support could be, 25,200 where the resistance would be. Right now we are around 650 700 levels. Perhaps slight more moderation is not ruled out. It doesn't mean bank nifty basically the uptrend hasn't broken or it's not looking that great, but I would say just notice the news that SBI few sessions back had cut savings rate by 50 basis point, and that itself is actually creating nervousness in the PSU banking stocks, and that's why we have been seeing some sort of churn. Even the RBI rate cut was not helpful. So I think that's the commentary. So what I'm trying to tell you is that don't be fussy about the benchmark indices so far. Just get out of it. See Reliance Industries, it is moving to new orbit, all-time highs, breakouts, good accumulation, 1700 levels where traders are expecting now the stock could move. That is one area of positivity. Second is FMCG stocks. Then I will give you some stocks which are really looking good. Indiabulls Real Estate, out of FNO ban, really actually seeing very strong accumulation. Bajaj Finserve, strong accumulation. Look at the movement there. Havells, strong management commentary, good accumulation. Look at that stock. Reliance Industries we have talked about. ACC, out of the cement pack, very strong accumulation post the results, and it has been many sessions of outperformance. The stock is really looking with a solid base here. Bata again looking actually with very strong accumulation. Higher levels are being sought after by traders. So these are the 6 stocks which I've already highlighted. Then Colgate gave good numbers. Jyoti Labs again was looking good. Titan, basically good positive notes are coming out from the brokerages. Then Dabur Titan, result reactions basically would be interesting. Dabur again coming out today. So between yesterday and today, we are seeing some good action in the FMCG pack. So just watch out for that. And also, what I would say is that IOC basically should be interesting. After 17% decline, yesterday results were good, and the stock started bouncing off of very critical support levels. So I would think that perhaps some near-term outperformance cannot be ruled out. So I think these are the stocks which you could play out, but be very cautious in pharma pack. Just be very cautious out there. Some sort of weakness could be seen, and also tire stocks, because the C8 numbers were very bad. So perhaps some sentimental weakness, and also cut in the C8 stock, perhaps that could also not be ruled out. But just saying very quickly, names of stocks: Bata, Indiabulls Real Estate, Bajaj Finserve, Havells, Reliance Industries, and ACC. These stocks actually are sure shot looking quite good on a data basis. So have a good trading day, have a good profitable day. I will see you later.